Matthew 5 verse 27 to 28. Here it says, "You have heard that it was said, 'You shall not commit adultery.' But I tell you that anyone who looks at a woman lustfully has already committed adultery with her in her heart." In this part, Jesus teaches us that sin is not merely an action that we do. Sin is an issue of the heart. Sin does not happen just in an instant. That, okay, I just would like to sin. No. Sin grows in you. Sin develops through a process within you. Sin often starts as a simple thought, a simple desire, a simple sinful desire. And as you entertain it, sin develops into a decision you make, a decision you take. And as you take that decision to sin, sooner or later it becomes a habit, a sinful habit. And that sinful habit would become a stronghold in your life. It would be an entry point of the enemy in your life. It would be a bondage in your life. If your right eye causes you to stumble, gouge it out and throw it away. And if your right hand causes you to stumble, cut it off and throw it away. Jesus teaches us to deal with sin radically, in a very radical manner. We don't necessarily have to gouge our eyes or cut our hand. But what he's saying is, as much as possible, keep yourself away from sin. Do all you can to keep yourself away from sin. Try to run, try to flee, try to turn away from sin.